to be taking down my fall decorations today and getting ready to put up my Christmas stuff sometime this week, I guess. So I have a haul in this video also that I'll be sharing with you. Some stuff I picked up this weekend, some great deals that I found this weekend. So right here I am just throwing away leftovers, trying to get the refrigerator ready for Thanksgiving so we can put the leftovers in the refrigerator after Thanksgiving. So if you need some cleaning motivation, stay tuned in this video. I will have some motivation for you to clean or get some things done that you need to get done. If you are new here, my name is Ivy. I'm a wife and mom of 4 older kids. Occasionally I keep other people's kids, so you will see toys in my videos, even though I have older kids. And husband and I pastor a church, so sometimes we have kids at our house from the church. So there's a little background about me on this channel. You will see cooking, cleaning, variety of things, homemaking, hauls, all of it. So if you like those kind of things, go ahead and stick around. So let's get to cleaning. As a feather, but I can't high, I can't low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. So I'm taking down my fall stuff and I'm putting my fake whipped cream toppers to the side because I'm going to be using these again for my coffee bar when I do my hot chocolate coffee bar for Christmas. And I was thinking about trying to make some more cupcakes, but I don't know, I might just use the red ones from early fall. But I'm just taking down fall. The reason I have on my Hello Fall shirt is because I wasn't able to wear it. I was sick when it was fall, so I had planned on doing more cleaning videos, like fall cleaning videos and stuff in this shirt, but I never got to wear it. So I was like, I'm just gonna wear this shirt while I take down my fall stuff, and I may have this shirt on again on Thanksgiving Day while we're cooking because I didn't really get to wear it. So if you're wondering why is she wearing a Hello Fall shirt, everybody's putting up Christmas decorations, that is the reason why. So I'm just continuing to put everything away, and I'm going to clean off the counters, clean off the stove, and also the dishwasher. So nice.
Got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that it moves and the way that it laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts.
Hi guys, I'm going to stop for a minute, cleaning, take a break, and show you what I got this weekend. So I picked up this warm and cozy mug from the dollar spot at Walmart. My Walmart has a dollar spot now, and I'm going to be in there all the time. And then I picked up these Sherpa socks. These are very, very nice. Soft and cozy for the winter and holiday season. I picked up these candy cane pins. There's 4 in a pack, so I'm going to give one to my daughters. Right. This is what I picked up. I picked up this hot chocolate set, tiered tray set. I have been looking for this. I'm so glad I went to Walmart because I found it. So I got one of those. Alright, and then I picked this up from Walmart. This is a pink insulated cup. I've been wanting one of these, so I got this weekend. Now Dollar Tree, picked up some mints, and I also was able to find the spoons for my hot cocoa bar. I picked up a tablecloth for my Christmas decorate video. I needed a new tablecloth, so I got a tablecloth. Then at Dollar Tree I also found these. The tablecloth came from Dollar General. I found these. Somebody had hidden them, so I found those this weekend. My favorite heat protectant. Got this from Walmart. And then the last thing I got were these shoes, and these were from Dollar General, and they had the trying to show you the green squares were $1 this weekend. So I got those, and then I got these flip-flops for $1, and I also got these slippers for $1. So that is all I have to share in this haul, and I will talk to you guys later. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed this little haul that I threw into this video from me shopping this weekend, and I'm just going to continue to take down this fall decorations, and I will see you guys, I will talk to you guys in my next video. And I really appreciate you watching. I really appreciate you commenting and supporting me, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.